If you're a student that gets excited about creativity, and if you're a student that gets excited about being behind the scenes but making other people look good, this is a great major for you.
I think one of the biggest valuable skill sets that you walk away with in the program is writing skills.
Corporate communication, strategic communication.
Strategic planning. Second, written communication. And third, social media production.
I think PR and advertising as a whole is very adaptive, so we're constantly looking at what's going on in the world and trying to adapt the curriculum that we have. The things you learn this semester are probably different than the things you would have learned a semester ago, simply because we're constantly trying to evolve and work within the social confines of our environments.
A lot of students find that if they give it a chance, this is a really fun field to be in, because you can approach it in so many different ways and you can do whatever you want, basically.
In our case studies class in public relations, we do a special event called the Socratic Dialogue. Socratic Dialogue is always an opportunity to take on a social issue and have a lively debate, pitting two divergent points of view on it, and have it as a philosophical discussion.
I think that student organizations are a prime example of how you get pre-professional experience before you get professional experience. And PRSSA is very tied into the parent organization in Philadelphia. And our ad club and our ad students are very tied into the Philly Ad Club. So there are many means of getting pre-professional experience prior to getting out in the field.
A lot of faculty are really invested in making sure students find a job after college or find internships while they're in college and really find the success that they're looking for.